Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to make single payments against multiple bills. So you can see these are the outstanding bills. CGC store, there are two bills. LX store, there are three bills, and one is A to Z store. Now this is my bank CSV where you can see three payments. Okay, so for LX store there are three bills and the payment made is 309.60. So there is a combination of payment. Fine. So how we are going to set up and how to reconcile the transaction in Xero. Okay, let's see it. So first of all, I'm going to import my CSV. Okay, so here I'll click on import a statement. I simply select my CSV file from here. Now simply click on next. You can see the three payment transactions. Now complete import. Okay, so on left side you can see the bank details, means payment which we had made, and on right side we are going to match bills against this paid amount. So LX store, to LX store we had paid 309.60. Now I simply click on match, and here you will get all the outstanding bill list. Okay, so I simply select LX store bill one by one, and here you can see total is out by 309.60. This should be match. Okay, so I simply select these three bills, so total match. Now I am going to reconcile this by clicking on reconcile button. Fine, 309.60. Now reconcile. Now let's discuss about second payment, CGC store 375.60. So there are two bills of CGC store in our system. Now I am going to select both bills one by one. Okay, and as you can see total match. Now simply click on reconcile. Fine. Now the third one is 419.99 paid to A to Z store. Now let's see bill amount is 420. So there is difference of 0.01. Either we can split the bill, okay, from here. So in next video I'm going to explain what is split bill, okay, and how to proceed it. So as of now we'll just round off this 0.01 amount. So I simply come here, and in adjustment I'll click on minor adjustment. I simply enter minus 0.01 total matches and reconcile. So whenever we have single payment against multiple bills, so in that kind of scenario we can process in this manner. Okay, so this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.